How's it, guys? So before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that I've actually taken off the spoiler. It's a little bit too big for me. So I've ordered M Performance parts and it should be coming in 3 weeks. So I've ordered the rear diffuser, the spoiler, the winglets, etc, etc. Yeah, so I will be giving away the spoiler for free to like a subscriber. So check out the video, see how I did it. It was very simple. And at the end of the video, I will explain to you how you can get this spoiler for free. Cool, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be putting on my carbon fiber spoiler today. Been waiting for this spoiler for about 3 weeks. This is the CS style spoiler that I'm going to be putting on, and it's not the OEM1 unfortunately. This is how it should look once it's done. The original spoiler must come off, that will be taken off, and then this one will go on. Okay, so these are the things that you will need. You'll need a pair of gloves. Okay, that's borrowed from my wife. You need a hair dryer. You need double-sided tape as thin as possible. This one is 0.8mm thick. You need fishing wire. Can't really see it, but this is how it looks. And then you might not need this, but I bought it anyway just in case I do need it. And you need an industrial cleaner or an adhesive cleaner that does not hurt the paint. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, first things first, we're going to start taking off the old spoiler off. Fishing wire, put your gloves on because it will hurt like hell. Just gently pull it up. Alright, this is done. Let's check that the spoiler comes off. There we go, old spoiler is off. You can check it out. This is the adhesive that's left on the old spoiler. We're gonna use an adhesive remover to remove this. Okay, so now we are going to take the adhesive off. I think I'm gonna try and just take it off with my fingers as much as I can quickly. Okay, so what I'm essentially doing here is I'm trying to take off as much adhesive, as much of this double-sided tape with my fingers, just to get it off, because this is the safest way to to not scratch your paint. I had ceramic coat done. I'll put a link on top of that video, and this part obviously wasn't done because it's underneath it, so well, it doesn't really matter I think, but it's always best if you can use your fingers, not your nails, your fingers as much as possible, like this. And then afterwards I'll use the adhesive spray just to clean up everything and make sure that the surface is clean, ready for the new spoiler. Okay, so we're going to spray the adhesive removal. It smells like oranges. Alright, let's clean it up. Wow, this thing works wonders. Good job. Okay, now it's lining up time. The carbon fiber spoiler. And that's it. That's perfect. Alright, get some masking tape. Cool. Now I got my positions. Let's put the double-sided tape on. By the way, one packet of 1 meter of double-sided tape is not enough. Try and get 3 meters because you might need between 2 and 3 meters. Right, so I'm going to take these double-sided tapes off and then let's put it on the car. Double-sided tape has been peeled off one side. Now this is the most nerve-wracking moment. I had lined everything up and oh man. Alright, there you have it. Okay, so the way you can get the spoiler from me is, number one, it's free. I'm not going to ask a cent for it. You just screenshot your subscription to me, your subscriber page to me, proving that you subscribe to me. Send it to my email. I will put a link on the description of my email, and you will have just, all you got to do is you have to take out the freight charges. It is completely free. You just have to collect it from me. So if you're from Canada and you want the spoiler and you're the lucky winner, you just have to organize a freight company to come and collect it from my door. But once I've chosen a lucky subscriber, we'll be in contact. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share the video, comment on the video, blah blah blah, whatever. See you guys next time. Cheers.